Hi everybody. Now we're going to make use of this A minor alternative shape. Not yet as a total bar chord, but this will open up the rest of the neck for you so that you can play A minor, A sharp minor, B minor, C sharp minor, D minor, D sharp minor, blah blah blah, all the way up the neck. So we already know the A minor alternative fingering, okay? So all you do, if you want to go to A sharp minor, which is also B flat minor, all you do is move it up one fret. Take your pointer finger and put it on the high E string on the first fret. And there you go. Now you have A sharp or B flat minor. I already taught you B minor, which is 2 frets up from A minor. So here's your B minor again. Now if we move it up one more fret, it's going to be C minor. Move it up one more fret, it becomes C sharp or D flat minor. Move it up another fret, you have another form of a D minor. The other form was over here, which you learned. Now you have D minor on the 5th fret, starting on the 5th fret. Okay, if we move up another fret, we have D sharp minor or E flat minor. Another fret up gives us E minor. Another fret up gives us F minor. One more fret, F sharp minor. F sharp minor is also called G flat minor. One fret up from there and we have G minor. One fret up from there becomes G sharp minor, also called A flat minor. And last but not least, A minor, which is an octave above this. Now, guys, or people, I should say, who have thick fingers are going to find it difficult to go higher than, say, A minor. I mean, I can just barely squeeze out A sharp or B flat minor at this fret. It becomes more difficult, but again, you have a whole bunch of chords spanning the entire neck, starting with A minor, A sharp or B flat, B minor, C minor, C sharp or D flat, D minor, D sharp minor or E flat minor, E minor, F minor, F sharp minor or G flat minor, G minor, G sharp minor or A flat minor, A minor, and again A sharp minor or B flat minor. And I'm not going to go any higher because my fingers don't fit. I hope this helps you out.